Hey guys, this is outside of my house, so this is some of the effects of Hurricane Sandy that you guys are watching right now. I'm going to try and get a little bit closer, if I can, so you guys can see what's happened, what's going on. Obviously we didn't get as bad as New Jersey and New York City up there in the Northeast, and if for those that are watching it that are up there, my thoughts are with all you guys right now. You see a lot of water going through. We have a little creek here in the backyard. See a couple of tree branches fell down yesterday or last night. It's just an amazing weather event. Surprisingly, we didn't lose power. I thought for sure that we were, so I was going to be prepared for the worst. But you see this big tree branch here. But no, I was prepared for the worst. I'm sure like everybody else that was dealing with this or was getting prepared for this. I'm going to take you guys a little bit closer as far as this this creek is concerned, because I did mention it. Now I will say that this creek, it does go towards a lake over here, and it usually doesn't rise this high unless a type of storm like this occurs. And as you could see, this type of storm occurred. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit. You guys could see this is where the fun part is, but I'm not even gonna attempt to cross this. See a piece of wood right there. Now that tree limb that you see right there, that tree limb has been there for forever, as long as I can remember. So that tree limb wasn't a part of a victim of this storm. There we got more rain and water coming down. I'm gonna switch hands here because my right hand's getting cold. You may hear me say that from time to time during this video that you're watching. This is just absolutely amazing. You know, you see, goes through there into the woods. We do have animals here. Squirrels, birds, rabbits. Oh, look at that! Look at that whirlwind right here. Look at that. Got our own little whirlwind here, whirlpool. No, but what I was saying was, you know, we have like deer in the backyard, rabbits time to time. So I'm really interested in seeing how they did, since we're getting close to the winter season and they're going to be looking for shelter in the next couple of weeks. So we're going to go back up. You see, look at this tree right here. Maybe if I show you guys, you could see. Look at how much it's leaning. Now, another reason I'm doing this video is my dad was out here earlier. I don't know if he's out here now or not. I'd say he isn't, but you never know. He is the adventurous type. Maybe that's where I get it from. I haven't seen or heard anything here in the neighborhood as far as power is concerned. This is our little deer stump that we give the deer some food. Oh, there's a squirrel right there. Okay, we got one squirrel that survived. I'm gonna go a little bit further down, I think. See if there's any more damage. Look at that water. Absolutely amazing. I think I'm going to go just a little bit further. I did hear some trees fall throughout the day yesterday. I just don't know which ones, when and where. And I did say I did hear trees fall, and when I mean where, I mean where in the woods, because there's so many trees that just completely fell. Look at this one right here. This looks like a clean cut right there. There's a nice branch there. See a couple of other tree limbs. This is, you're probably going to hear me say it a lot of times while watching this video. This is just absolutely amazing. I think this is about as far as I'm going to go, but we could take one more look here. It's all this water. Oh, wait a minute, I think I heard my dad. Hey, where are you? You up at the basketball hoop? Or court, or... Oh, I see him. Ah! Got tangled up by a tree limb. Hey! First off, I want you to say hi to the viewers.
Hello, viewers.
I was just showing them some of the aftermath. Did you see anything?
Yeah, as I walked in here, I kicked out 2 deer.
Well, there were 2 deer here?
In this general area when I was coming down the path. They were right about where you came up from.
Yeah.
That's why I sat down here and wait and see if anything would come back.
Yeah, I noticed the gate or the fence here.
Oh yeah, look at all this firewood. God, I'd love to be able to cut this up and stack it somewhere.
Yeah.
Got enough firewood for 20 years. There's so much of it here. Look
Yeah.
at these big things. All over there, all over there.
Yeah.
There's probably a railroad car full of it. Did
Just
you go
that.
down there and see all that water?
I did. Yeah, that was one of the first things I got on here. It was absolutely amazing.
Yeah, I walked up to where the tractors are, and then I went down that new path.
Yeah.
It's so flooded I couldn't get through.
Wow.
Oh yeah, and I'm not walking through that.
No, me either.
Even dressed like
There
this.
was
You don't know how deep it is.
no, you don't. There was a whirlwind going towards one side over here. There's a little one.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah, this is. Then I went back here to check that rub. Did you see those rubs?
No.
Come on.
All right. Why don't you come along with me?
I'll show you what we're talking about. Well, I guess we could just like it.
Let's see.
And these are what we look for when we go in the woods to hunt. Because if you find a rub, then you know that's been buffalo. They make rubs and they make scrapes.
Let's see. My dad leading me on another maze.
Pardon me?
No, I was saying you're leading me on another maze. Wow, look at that.
Now that's where the buck walks up here with his rack, bends his head down and rubs his rack up and down there, polishing the velvet off the horns.
Yeah.
That's how they polish them up and get them ready for fighting during the rut season. Okay, that's a big buck to be going this far.
Wow.
That's probably 15 inches or more. Now, come here, I'll show you another one. That's the new one.
So that's the freshest one.
That's the second one. I'll show you the one we came out to the other day. I found this last week with Mike. We came out and found this. We thought this one was big. I think that was bigger than this.
Looks like this one is smaller.
Now, this is the one we found first.
Right.
And then there's another one over there. He's starting. You can see a little scrape on there, just a little
Yeah.
bit. Not much, but some. Let's walk down here see if we find anything more. Is your mama?
No, not yet. Look at this.
I would love to hunt this. Look at this beech tree. Oh, God. It's massive.
How this survived.
Look at how old do you think that tree? It's got to be more than 100 years old.
At least.
Got to be. Look at it. That is just a gorgeous specimen tree. Alright, let's see if we find anything. You know, they usually do those scrapes or those rubs in a line. And then
But you haven't found the line yet.
well, we got those two, so there must be another one back in here somewhere, maybe. Not necessarily, but there usually is like 3 or 4 or 5 in a line, and then the buck comes along, and he follows his rubs to look for the doe's
Yeah.
scent, because the does will come along and smell that, and if they, when they make a scrape,
Yeah.
they also scratch the leaves and get it all cleared out, and then they'll urinate in there. They leave their scent. Then the does come along and they smell that, and if they like what they smell, then they hang around the area and wait for the buck to come back, and then they breed, and that's how we get little baby deers. So this is the rut season now. This is what they're doing. They're out here making whoopee.
Where's Bob Eubanks when you need him? But you know, one thing about this, and a lot of people I think are gonna, I've probably seen a lot of video of aftermath of hurricanes on TV or on the internet. This is the woods. You know, this isn't, you know, like the city or the country. You know, this is a suburban area, and this is our woods. I think of like the tree limbs and all the trees that fell before the storm, and then during, and then after. It's absolutely amazing. Yeah. This looks like another good
Let's go down here. Maybe we can get to look at the spring.
firewood. Oh. Oh yeah. There's two of them.
Great.
Oh wow.
You see anything?
Yeah. There's another one. The deer are probably wondering who are these people with these strange things in their hands. They're probably wondering who are these strange people with these things in their hands. Yeah.
And we blend in with these black jackets, they can't tell what we are. And you hear that snort
Mm-hmm.
when they move?
Yeah.
They warn one another. Danger. See, she's the one that comes out here. Oh, it's a spike bucket. Look, here they come. Just stand still. They'll come right to it. Stand still.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
Well, I think I'm gonna stop this video for now, guys. I don't know if I'll do another video later. If I do, you'll see it. If not, stay warm.